Alright guys, this is Mongolian beef ramen. Alright, we're heating 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. This is 1 pound of thinly sliced steak and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We're just going to cook this about 4 minutes. Starch will protect the food from touching the hot oil directly and lock the moisture inside, resulting in tender meat. When the steak is done cooking, you're going to want to set it to the side and save it for later. Alright, now we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low. Now we got 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Throw in about 5 cloves of garlic and, I don't know, a little over a teaspoon of ginger. Oh, that smells fantastic already. 1/4 cup brown sugar. 1/2 cup of soy sauce. 1 cup of chicken broth. I'm gonna add in about 1/2 an onion now. I'm gonna bring this to a boil. Alright, now we're going to add in the rest of our veggies. I got 1 crown of broccoli, about 2/3 of a green pepper, and 1 carrot. Stir this in. I'm going to cover it and then cook it for about 5 minutes. Alright guys, in another pot I'm making 3 packs of ramen. No seasoning, just the noodles. As soon as these vegetables have cooked about 5 minutes, we're going to stir the steak back in, and then once that's coated, we're going to add in our cooked noodles. Alright, we just want to make sure everything's fully coated here. Put our ramen back in.